Hello my friends, you're welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I last posted here and I feel like I owe you some kind of explanation. My MVPs, the real G's, thank you for sticking by. Thank you for always watching because I keep on looking at my analytics and I see that you keep watching. So a very short story. This channel got monetized since last year, November 2024 in fact, and then we reached the payment threshold in February 2025, but for some reason YouTube refused to accept my TRP, my Estonian TRP, for identity verification. I don't know why. Maybe the first picture that I uploaded was blurry or whatever, and they refused to accept it, and because of that, on 2 occasions monetizations was taken off this channel, but Eroy, thank God for God. We're back to posting now, and I keep posting because this is what I love doing. I like to create and post and teach, and I also like to come back and see these videos. And to tell you one thing, my babies in fact enjoy watching my cooking channel, so I think that posting, it's a good thing. So I'm not gonna stop, monetized, verified or not. I'm going to keep posting and hope that you stay on and watch and learn. So just to deviate from the story, I'm making kale sauce, guys, and I've gone ahead to wash the kale. You saw how I washed it. I split the middle open to carefully wash it and remove sand, because sometimes sandy particles can hide in. So I'm using cow tripe for this. That's shaki. I'm using fish and chicken breast for this recipe. So I'm just making like sauce, and I'll be using kale for it. It's Rose's Hub. My name is Rosemary, and this channel, I just show you how I cook, my own style of cooking, how I use alternatives like green leaves. I use alternatives for meals that we'll have in Africa, Nigeria. If they're not readily available, I always use alternatives to cook and show you how I make it, so that you always have meals that taste just like home. And if this resonates with you, please click the subscribe button, leave a comment and share. Turn on your notifications so that you get notified each time I post a new videos. Thank you for sticking by. To go back to the story, I put this channel in Eroy's hand. NSPPD. Seriously, YouTube is not for the faint-hearted. I'm just sharing this story with you to know that you can come across some kind of setback sometimes on your journey. In my creation, I had to pause on all channel for a little bit, and especially here on YouTube. And then I kept on praying every day, because to resolve the verification issue, there was nothing I did not do. I wrote YouTube Partners Program. I even wrote them on Twitter. I'm not on Twitter, but because of YouTube, I had to create an account there to speak to them, their support. I wrote, they will write back to me. Oh, we know this is not what you're expecting to hear, but you have exhausted the verification attempt. I used the first Google AdSense account. I exhausted 2 verification attempts with my Estonian TRP. It was rejected. I used the second Google AdSense account. The first time it was taken off. The second time it was taken off. I cried. Seriously, this matter bothered me a lot, because I know how hard I worked to get this channel to be where it was, and I had a target to get it monetized in under a year, and it was monetized in under a year. When we reached the threshold, which was like $70, and you would be asked to set up your identity, I could not do it. The first time I had over 20 something euro, it was taken away. The second time, again 18, it was taken away. I was like, oh my God. It was not a very good experience. and I kept on praying for my channel. In fact, this is one thing I do. I pray for all the social media platforms where I post, because I like to post, and I know that it's God that makes things like error. Holy Spirit helps, and error really came true. Put it on NSPPD every day, and I will pray and be like, God, you would show yourself, and He did. So if things like inanimate objects can come to life, why not this YouTube that had no copyright strike at all, had no challenges, had no strike, had no issue, only identity verification? So here is to tell you not to give up on that pursuit that you want so much. There is time and season to everything, and everything works well in the end for everyone that believes. Just keep pushing, keep doing what you're doing. For me, identity verification is not stopping me from sharing these beautiful videos. So long as I can shoot it, I'm gonna share it. If you have not subscribed up to now, please click the subscribe button and join the family. Thank you for watching. We have better, like good old videos. Please go and watch them too.